Okay, guys. So this question is similar to the one on the videos for Mr. Burns. So Mr. Burns is 75 years old and wants to retire at age 90. So in another 15 years. We also know that he's going to retire for 20 years. So we're going to end up with up until 35 years from today. Now, the question is asking you, how large of an annual deposit must be made to fund Mr. Burns' retirement plan? So we're trying to look for the payment, the PMT of deposits. Now, in order to calculate this, we know that the present value is the $100 million that he deposited. The number of periods is 15 years. The interest is 19%. And the future value, well, that we do not know. That's something we have to calculate. But we also know that the future value of all deposits equal the present value of all the withdrawals. So let's calculate the present value of all of our withdrawals. Start with this one. So first is first. We want to make sure that the withdrawals are they happening at the beginning or at the end of each year. If you read the question, you'll realize that they happen at the beginning of every year. So make sure that you have this here in begin mode. Okay? Make sure you have it in begin mode. Now, the number of periods is 20 years. The interest is the same as the interest previous. You're going to get 19%. The future value, he's not going to keep any money in his account at the end of the period. And the payments that he's going to make, or the withdrawals, are minus $600 every year. Plug these numbers into your calculator. You're going to get 3,642. That's your present value. Since we know that the present value of the withdrawals equals the future value of all your deposits, then you just take this number over here and you plug it here. Okay, guys? Now, if you read the question, you want to make sure, is it happening at the beginning of the year or at the end of the year? You'll realize that it happens at the end of the year. The deposits happen at the end of the year. So make sure you have this over here in end mode. Okay? Now, plug in all these numbers and you'll come up with a payment of 34,045,450,000. So the answer, guys, is C. Okay?